Good morning to all present over here. Myself Piyush Padulkar from grade 8. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Saturday and today's date is 1st of November 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Ashwin Kole from grade 8. Every Saturday we observe Mindfulness Saturday. So on behalf of it, I want to share some tips such as maintain a balanced diet, have plenty of water, release stress by meditating. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. Today's importance of the day is presented by reading with God at Shraddha Olympiad School.
Today we are going to tell you the importance of the day. Today we are celebrating Rajyotsav, Karnataka's unity and pride. Today, along with introduction, we are going to share with you the historical context, cultural significance, call to action, and will conclude the same for you.
What binds us together despite our diverse traditions, beliefs, and backgrounds?
Let's come to the historical context. Can we imagine Karnataka without its rich heritage, its literature, its temples, or its language Kannada? Hampi, Dorugunari dancers, Kannada script, Mysore Palace are the iconic elements of Karnataka. Now let's talk about historical significance. Rajyotsav Day marks the formation of Karnataka on 1st November 1956, uniting Kannada-speaking regions.
Originally called Mysore State, it was renamed Karnataka in 1973 to represent all its people.
Now let's talk about cultural pride. Kannada is one of the oldest Dravidian languages, which regions like Kevampu and Pampa, Hampi, Bellu, Mysore Palace are examples of art and architecture of Karnataka.
Doli Kunita, Yakshagna and Kamsule are the folk traditions that are celebrated in Karnataka. Western Ghat, Chok Falls and Kurg are the natural beauties that are seen in Karnataka.
Now let's talk about call to action. What can we as students do to preserve Karnataka's legacy? Learn more about Kannada literature and history. Speak Kannada with pride in school and at home. Respect and celebrate Karnataka's diversity.
Let's have a closing thought or closing note. United we stand, strong we go. Rajyotsav is not just about celebrating Karnataka's past but contributing to its future.
Now let's come to the conclusion. What makes a state great is not just its history but the law and pride of its people. Let's carry this pride in our hearts and make the Karnataka proud.
Thank you.